In last class, we have seen the question up to fourth. Today we will see question from question number 5th. From exercise 14.2. See the question number 5th of 14.2. See question number 5th of exercise 14.2. Exercise 14.2, question number 5th. Question number 5th. A study was conducted to find out the concentration of sulfur dioxide in the air parts per million ppm on a certain city. The data observed for the 30 days. What information has been given in data is there is a city and we are finding concentration of sulfur dioxide. What sulfur dioxide on a particular day for continuous 30 days. Here data has been given and first point is make the group frequency distribution table for this data with class interval 0.0 to 0.04 like in this manner. So one thing you remember, class interval. In class interval there will be lower limit and upper limit. In some question you may have to find what is the class size, height or width. All these three things are same: class size, height and width. What is the height of the class? Yeah, width of the class. So how we will find class size? Class size will be given by upper limit minus lower limit. So you remember this thing. Now moving to question number 5. In question number 5, what is given? The concentration of sulfur dioxide of a city for particular 30 days, and we have to make class interval of whose size is 0.04. So class size has been given Ci. What you can write? Concentration of SO2 in ppm. What in ppm? ppm is parts per million, and second is number of days. Number of days. See, in the data, maximum value is 0.22. So by making class interval of which class size is 0.04, 0.22 will lie in between 0.20 to 0.24. So write the all class interval 0.04 to 0.08, next 0.08 to 0.12, 0.12 to 0.16, 0.16 to 0.20, 0.20 to 0.24. This will be our class size and class interval. And now number of days. For now see which value lie in between 0.00 to 0.04 will be 0.03 first, then we will not consider in this group 0.04. Either any one value you have to exclude. Either you exclude lower limit या upper limit. So we mainly exclude upper limit value. So for this interval we will not count 0.04. For this interval we will not count 0.0. So we always not include the upper limit value. So when you will see the data, for this group number of days is 4. What number of days is 4? Now see 0.04 to 0.08, count it. It will come 9. How many days? 9 days. Similarly, for 0.08 to 0.12, the number of value lying, that is total 9. So again frequency for this group will be 9. Now 0.12 to 0.16. For 0.12 to 0.16, the number of value is 2. So what will be the frequency? 2. Now 0.16 to 0.20, that is how many value is lying? 4. Now see 0.20 to 0.24, the number of value is lying is 2. So count number of days. 4 plus 9, 13, 13 plus 9, 22, 22 plus 2, 24, 24 plus 4, 28 plus 2, 30. So we have included all the data given. Now for how many days was the concentration of sulfur dioxide more than 0.11 parts per million? What we have to see? We have to see more than 0.11. So more than 0.11, we have to count 0.1 to 0.2 because the maximum value of our data is 0.22. So which group will come? This group, these three group will come. So when we will count, so it will be, the answer of second question will be 2 plus 4 plus 2, that will be 8 days. For how many days concentration of sulfur dioxide is more than 0.11 is 8 days. How many days? 8 days. Now moving to next question. Question number 6.